you might know this guy, Robert Feranec from Federvale, and we're here. Yes. I just ran into him. Sydney is a small place, and we just happened to run into each other. So we're in the underground move-in walkway. Say hi.
Hi everyone.
And give us your YouTube channel, just in case people don't know.
My YouTube channel is Robert Feranec, and I do all the kind of videos about electronics, and I hope people find it useful.
Mostly LTM videos, or you've done interviews. I've been on your podcast interview thing.
I started with LTM videos, but now I go more generic, high speed, and farm delivery, PISI, all these things which you normally learn at university. And I wish I knew when I was starting with electronics. Now it's much easier for everyone.
Exactly. All right. Excellent. Definitely check out Robert's channel. His Altium and PCB videos. Schmick. Catch you next time. Robert's discovered the Opera House. Yes, we are on the Opera House forecourt. And this is the main thing you wanted to see in Sydney, isn't it, Robert?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. And everyone wants to come to the Opera House.
It's much bigger than I imagined.
Bigger than you imagined. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. And there we go. Robert Feranec in Sydney, folks.